What's up everyone, this is Dalton Sessoms here at Flame Festival 2025, and today I'm here to teach you cartwheels with long string levy wand. The first step to a successful cartwheel with long string levy wand is a cartwheel without long string levy wand. We want to make sure that you turn your hips in the direction that you're going. Straight arms, straight legs, and over. After that, we add in the levy wand. One important thing is your string length. For me, it's my arm span plus the length from the tip to the hole of the wand. We're going to be doing this trick in shoulder anchor. So I take my whole hand, put it through the loop of the levy wand, and drag it up to my shoulder. From there, we're going to wrap the levy wand around our body. Once, twice, and catch. This loads it up so that we can throw it around with enough speed to execute the cartwheel. So the first thing you need to keep in mind is the timing of the trick. We're gonna unwrap once, twice, 3 times, and throw. A little bit like this. 2, 3, and throw. So the 2 things that you need to remember with this trick are 1, the timing like we just went over. 1, 2, 3, cartwheel. The second most important thing is that you give it enough speed so that it makes it all the way around without bumping the floor. If you don't, it looks a little bit like this. Boom. Notice how it bumped the ground. The only way to correct that is to throw it with enough speed so that it makes it all the way around. Execute your timing at the correct time, and then you have a levy wand cartwheel. Good luck.